Hi, boys and girls. It is time for math, and today we are going to be talking more about money. And so we've learned about the pennies, the nickels, and the dimes. Pennies are worth 1 cent, nickels are worth 5 cents, and dimes are worth 10 cents. Well, today Miss Barrett and I want to go shopping, but all we have are pennies, and we can't take all of our pennies to the store. So we are going to be trading our pennies for nickels and dimes. Are you ready? Okay, so and after you guys watch, maybe you could try this at home too. All right, Miss Barrett, what would you like to buy from the store?
Okay, today I want to buy, I think, the granola bar.
So her granola bar is going to be 5 cents.
5 cents.
So if she has 5 pennies, if Miss Barrett brings, that was 4 pennies. So now she has 5 pennies. If she brings her 5 pennies and says, I have 5 pennies, but I can't take pennies to the store. That's too much change in my pocket. What is she going to trade me for? What could I give her that would be worth 5 cents?
Let's draw a name, see if they know.
Oh,
okay, here we go.
That's a good idea.
Yes. Adeline.
Adeline, if Miss Barrett has 5 cents, what is she going to trade me for to get another 5 cents? She is going to trade me for a nickel. You are right. So we're going to trade. Okay, we have the same amount of money. I have 5 cents in pennies, and now she has 5 cents in her nickel, and she can go to this, and she can go buy her granola bar for 5 cents.
Yep, that's a lot lighter to carry.
Okay.
All right, Mrs. Rogers, what would you like to buy from our store?
I want to buy a banana. It sounds like a good snack. But I have 10 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's a lot of change.
And I don't want to take all 10 of my pennies to the store, Miss Barrett.
Nope.
What can you do?
I'm going to take your 10 pennies. And what am I going to give her? Carter. If I take Mrs. Rogers 10 pennies, what will I give her in return? That's right, a dime. Because a dime is worth 10 cents, and 10 pennies is worth 10 cents.
Oh, thank you. I'm going to go buy my banana now. All right. Then I'll put my banana over here.
Okay.
Okay, what would you like
So I think I'm going to buy that tasty looking pineapple.
That pineapple? How much is your pineapple going to be worth?
The pineapple is 15 cents.
15 cents. So you have 15 cents.
Look at all that change, though. I don't want to take all of that change to the store.
So what could I give her to equal 15 cents, to equal those 15 pennies that she could take to the store?
Let's see, ready? Eileen.
Eileen. So what do you think I could give her? You are right. I could give her a dime that is worth 10 cents.
So here's 10 pennies for that dime.
Okay. Oh, very good. Okay, 10 pennies for the dime. How many pennies do you have left?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies left.
Oh, that's perfect. So Eileen, I could also give her a nickel. She could trade me those 5 pennies. So now I traded, I still have 15 cents. But now she has 15 cents.
But they're only 2 coins. It's a lot easier to carry.
And a dime and a nickel. Yep. Very nice.
Okay, 10 cents from our 15 cents for my pineapple.
Thank you. All right. We have the last thing that we want to buy. I want to buy the pig. I want to buy the stuffed pig for 20 cents. And I have, this is 15 pennies, wasn't it? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And Miss Barrett, I have 20 pennies. Oh my goodness.
See?
I dropped
There's just
them.
too many. There's just too many.
You just drop them and you have all, you can lose them and drop them. So
Yeah.
Miss Barrett, I don't want to take out 20 of my pennies to the store. What could I have instead?
Okay, let's see. Addison, if she has 20 pennies, what could we exchange that for to make it easier to pack around?
What could we do? So we could, if we were counting by fives, we could take 5, 10, 15, 20. I could take 4 nickels. But 4 nickels is still a lot.
It is. Yep.
What could I do that would be easier than 4 nickels?
I'm thinking we should do dimes.
Dimes.
Dimes are worth 10 cents.
So let's count by tens.
10, 20.
So I will need how many dimes? 2 dimes.
2 dimes. So her 20 pennies is the same as 2 dimes.
All right. Yay, I can buy my piggy with my 2 dimes. All
Very
right, boys
good.
and girls. We are done exchanging our coins and our money, but you can practice this at home too. And you can practice exchanging your money. You could play store, put price tags on some of the things that you already have just for fun. It would be a fun game to play. And in your packet today, I gave you a sheet of coins. So if you don't have a lot of coins to practice with at home, you could cut out these coins and you could practice playing store with your coins at home. And let's look at the rest of our worksheets. And there's a lot of paper here, but it's not that hard. I think you guys will do it really fast. Our first one says match the coins. And so all we're going to do is draw our line to the word. And if you sound these words out, I know they look big. We have quarter, and it has our QU sound. So when you see that, you can say quarter. We have penny, nickel, and dime. So recognize the coin that's on our, they're the coins. Our first one is a penny. I'll do the first one for you, and I'm just going to draw a line and match it to the penny. Okay? I think you guys are going to do great on that one. This paper, it says, let's go shopping. Draw a line from the ice cream to the coin that you need to buy it. So there's different kinds of ice cream. Our first ice cream is 5 cents. Well, which coin is worth 5 cents? The nickel. You were right. So we're just going to take a line from this ice cream cone for 5 cents all the way down to the nickel. And then I will let you finish the rest. And remember, we have not talked about the quarter. It's on here, but I'm going to give you a hint. It is worth 25 cents. And our next paper, it says, it's called Monster Money. All the monsters have finished their chores. Can you figure out who earned the most money? Write each monster's total in the blank space. So these are all the coins that we have learned. They're not quarters on here. So like our first monster, he has a dime and 1 penny. So a dime is worth 10 cents. So 10 plus 1 penny is, you are right, it is 11. 11 cents. Our next monster has, it's the front and the back, so don't get confused, but he has 2 nickels. It shows the back of the nickel and the front of the nickel with George Washington on it. And all you have to do is count by 5s. 5, 10. This monster has 10 cents. So far, which monster has more? This monster has 11. I'll count one more with you. This monster, oh my goodness, boys and girls, I made a mistake. This is not the back of a nickel. It is the back of a penny. I am so sorry. I'm going to cross out 10. See, even Mrs. Rogers makes mistakes. Let's count it again. We have a nickel plus a penny, because you can see it says 1 cent on there if you look really close. And so if we have a nickel, if we have 5 cents plus 1 cent of your penny, that is, you are right, 6 cents. So we're changing that monster. And then now this monster with the 2 vertical eyeballs, 5 cents, 5 cents. 2 nickels, 5, 10. He has 10 cents. And I'm going to let you do the next 3 on your own. So be careful. Don't make the mistake I did. Be careful and look really closely at your coins so you know which coin you have. And our last paper is one. If we were at school, I would have sent this one home with you to do at home. So you can follow the directions. It's called Collecting and Trading Coins. And you can use your paper ones also if you need to for this. And just read the family notes and follow the directions, and you can collect and trade coins at home. Have fun with your coins, boys and girls.